So now we're going to get ready to transport this thing down the road. If you fold it up, the machine, and you're done folding it up, it will put you into that steering screen. But if you're just getting into it new and you're going to take it down the road, you'll want to bring out your transfold button again, bringing out your fold, and then at the bottom is your steering system. So you can hit that. Now we're ready to go down the road. But before we do, make sure that we have our drill fold hydraulics engaged, because as we're going and we want to turn those tires, we need our hydraulics engaged to do so. So from there, we're good. Hydraulics are engaged, and now we can take off and go down the road. As we're going down the road and we want to make a turn one way or the other, we're just going to hit that, let's say, turn right for this turn. We're turning right, and you'll notice we're just doing a mid-right turn. So it's only halfway turning those tires. If we hit that a second time, it'll actually make that machine turn even harder. So as you're going into approaches or into your yards, you can get this thing to swing around real nice. Biggest thing to remember when going down the road and you're turning is this machine doesn't know when you want it to go straight again. You actually physically have to tell it that you're going to go straight. So as we're coming out of the turn, if I don't go ahead and hit straight or drive straight, now it's going to steer that machine into the ditch. So once I get my machine straight where I want it, I'm going to hit that drive straight. It takes a couple seconds to get those tires straight again, and now you'll notice that my machine is gone straight and we're going down the road. And then same thing, going left, we're just going to hit that left as a mid left, and if we want to turn it even harder, we hit that. You'll notice you'll get that audible beep at you, just warning you that it's still not driving straight, and that's why it's there. But I hit straight again, that audible beep is gone. Now I know that I'm going straight, and we can keep going. And then once we're done driving wherever we're going to drive, we've got it straight, just hit that green check mark, takes you out of that screen, and now you're ready to do whatever you need to do next.